يلا يا جماعة حركوا الجمال. تعال هني قدام، انتبه للرامب.
Pull him forward just a little. Make sure that rope is secure back there.
All clear, we can roll. Easy now, easy does it. That's it. Come on, big fella, watch your step. This way, gently now. Keep moving forward. Watch the legs, scrub harder there. All right, moving to the next one now.
This section needs a little more time under the blower.
Okay, I'll adjust the nozzle pressure.
Steady pace, gentlemen. Keep them moving smoothly towards the gate.
Vitals are stable across the board.
Microchip scan confirmed. Ready for transport.
Temperature scan reads 37.5 degrees Celsius. Physical inspection confirms healthy mucosa.
Inspection complete on our end.
The health report confirms it. This camel is cleared for the production process.
Look at this anomaly near the flank. Are the lasers calibrated correctly?
The calibration is perfect. It seems to be a minor inflammation marker.
نزلها شوي شوي. تمام، جيبها يمين.
Check the flow rate on the white liquid intake. It's fluctuating too much.
Adjusting the valve now. Temperature is holding steady.